Hey y'all, it's your girl Nayla now, and I'm back with another video. Today is going to be I don't know what I'm going to title this video yet, but I'm just going to be installing this pink wig that I dyed it pink, but it was $613 originally. I got it from Luvme Hair. They sent this over to me. The 18-inch Brazilian body wave, $613 lace frontal wig. Is a 13 by 4 lace, so it's not a lot of lace on the sides to do a side part and all that. But make sure y'all use my code Lene20 if y'all want to go shop with Luvme Hair. And they have affordable prices and high quality hair, so make sure you go shop with them. Use my code. It's going to be linked down below, and their store will be linked down below, and the exact wig link is going to be down below if you want to go get you one, sis. But that was a lot. Let's jump right into the video. Y'all, so this is what the wig look like. I can't wait to install this. Oh my god, this color just came out so freaking cute, y'all. All right, now first of all, let me do my bald cap method. I don't even have no bald cap. Hold up, y'all, I'll be right back. I'm using my wig cap from the Frontal Queen. Make sure y'all go shop with them. But first I'm gonna brush my edges back because I got some new growth. I need to redo my braids, but we're gonna let it rock for a couple more days. I'm trying to get a couple wigs out the way that I have to do promo for before I actually wash my hair and stuff. Because when I wash my hair, I want to give my hair a break from the wigs and all that. But anyway, I'm just gonna cut a hole, both ears, stick my ear through. Just like that. Today I'm going to use the Gots to Be in the yellow tube. It's a little dirty, y'all, but this works better than the spray when it comes to holding the cap down. That's fixed. But when I install my wigs, I never use this. I always use either the spray or the black tube. But yeah, I'm just putting this where I'll cut the I'm putting this directly on the cap. I don't want to really put it like get it in my hair and my edges. And I'm gonna take some Pump It Up. Now, believe it or not, this worked exactly like the Gots to Be spray. I never use this to try to lay down my wigs or nothing, but when it comes to the cap, oh my god. You gotta be careful with this. You see that? Now, I'm about to blow dry it. All right, y'all, so I'm back and I already did my bald cap. I just cut it with these little teeny scissors. The tip that I can tell y'all about cutting your cap is to really make sure it's completely dry before you cut it, and use small scissors, and when you cut it in sections, and like don't cut it all the way up. Like cut the extra band off first and then cut some more, and then like work your way up to like this part, if y'all get what I'm saying. But now I'm putting some foundation powder on my cap. Y'all already know. Well, if y'all don't know, I do this to make sure that like it blends in with my makeup, and it's not like a line that you can see under my wig. I mean, through my lace. Y'all see that? It's not melted how I normally like it to be, but we gonna let it rock because got things to do and it's late already. Now we gonna put the wig on. Yo, I really love this wig so much. Y'all just don't understand. Hold up, I gotta put some. I washed my wig. I washed all the makeup off my lace already because I already applied this wig. So I gotta put some more. So I'll put some of that powder on the lace real quick. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god, let me hurry up. I'm just so impressed because I never had pink hair and I look so freaking cute. Alright, y'all, so today I'm using my Gots to Be spray. Now this wig could easily be a glueless wig, but y'all know I have to use something to make my lace lay. But I'm going to use a little teeny bit of product, not a lot today, because I probably take this wig off later on tonight. So yeah, y'all already know my method. If y'all don't know, I just spray it onto the lace. Just like that. And I use my comb to lay it down, or to lay my lace down. Just like this. I'm gonna use my blow dryer on the cool setting. And I'm gonna repeat the same process for the rest of the lace. I want you to park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage. Alright, y'all, so the wig is on. I'm about to use some more of this powder just to make sure it's blended in. I'm not gonna do no baby hairs with this wig just because I really don't like doing baby hairs with color hair. And this lace is blended so well, I don't feel like I need to do baby hairs. Alright, y'all, so I already curled the hair, so it's already styled. So I don't really got nothing else to do besides let this lace melt. Y'all, it's already styled. Like, I don't have to hot comb it. I'm going to though, just because I'm extra. Use my wax stick from Luvme Hair. Take my hot comb. Oh my god, I look so cute. Alright, y'all, so the hair is styled basically. I'm just gonna put some of this oil in it. Oh, baby, baby, could never go wrong if you let me hold you. Alright, y'all, this is how the hair came out. I'm feeling myself. Yes, I am. Whoo! It's the hot girl summer period. Even though we ain't go nowhere. Hold on, let me put a little bit of powder right here, real quick. Oh yeah, mama. You looking good, baby. This is the finished hair. Look, I freaking love it. I just wish it was a little longer, but it's still cute. I'm about to go get dressed and I'll be back for the outro. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. I went and put on this dress from Shein. I really like it. I just went outside, I took some pictures and it started drizzling. That's so my curls fell a little bit, but I kind of like the loose, you know, the beach wave look. I'm gonna put some more curls in it though. But yeah, y'all like it? I love it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my social medias. They're going to be linked down below to make it easier for you. Make sure you go shop Love Me Hair for this bomb wig. It takes the color amazing, as y'all can see. And it blends. Transparent lace, period. Make sure you use my code LANAE20, LANAE 20, all capitals, to get an extra 20% off and tell them I sent you. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching.